In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create Outlook calendar events with Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms, click Create Form, choose Start from Scratch, and then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element and add an appointment field to your form. Next, click the Settings tab, then select Integrations from the left menu. Search for Outlook Calendar and select the integration. Click Authenticate, then sign in to your Outlook account and allow Jotform to access your calendar. Choose the Outlook calendar you want to use, then map your form fields. Set the event title, start time, duration, attendees, and event description using the appropriate form fields. When you're finished, click Save or Update Integration, then save your form. That's how to create Outlook calendar events with Jotform. Thanks for watching.